Hello and welcome to AXLR8's Report Builder. This video will give you an overview of how to configure, administrate and group reports in your system. First, what we can see here is the report section of Web Fast Track. As you can see, they are laid out into columns and groups with specific colours and covering a variety of needs, ranging from contact reports to marketing to HR. This following screen is the report builder itself, and you can see 3 tabs which enable you to configure your report, to determine the report colour, order and who it's available to, and then to modify the report groups themselves. In order to create your first report, you go to the Report Configuration tab. The report type determines the fields that are available to be reported on. For example, Products displays product fields, and File Attach displays file attach fields. In this video, we will walk through creating a new file attach report. So select Report Type File Attach. If you wish to create a new report, then add in your report name. The Report Active option allows you to choose whether the report is currently in draft mode or not. If this box is unticked, then it means that no one else is able to see the report except for yourself whilst you are working on it. This particular section, Report Details, is where you decide on the columns that you would like to report. For instance, for this file attach report, I would like to choose a file link, a file type, the file description, and the file name, and the date added. By clicking and dragging, you are able to reorder these as well. So I'm going to reorder them for file name, and then type, description, link, and the date added. The second section enables you to choose what you would like to filter on. So my report is going to filter on the file type and on the date added. Once you are satisfied with the information that you would like to pull into your report, you then need to save. In the Reports admin, I'm going to qualify the report's name, which group it belongs to, and other customized features. First of all, I need to choose the report title, whether it is active or disabled, which report group it belongs to, and then I need to choose the report configuration from the previous tab. If you're unable to see the report, just press these green arrows. You then need to choose the report order and the report colour. The report colour recognises colour hex codes, HTML red, green, blue, or simple colour commands. The section further down will enable you to choose who the report is available to. So for instance, a file attach report might want to be viewed by somebody who has accounts admin, employee admin, payroll admin, and view report admin. You can also choose which groups you do not want to be able to see the report. Once you're satisfied, you then press save, and if there's an issue, you see a red bar across the top and red writing indicating what the problem is. In this case, I need to select the report order. If I then press save again, the report is successfully saved. If I go back to the report screen, I can now see where the report is. So in this case, underneath the support group, named File Attach Report. If I access the report, I can then see the filters that I decided earlier. So for instance, at this moment, if I choose File Type All and choose No Date Range, and then press Refresh the report, I can see all of the files that have been uploaded with the columns of information that we previously decided, such as the file name, file type, file description, the file link, and the date that the file was added. If I want to minimize these down further, I can select on the filter range, choose the 11th, and then press refresh. Now I can see the one report that was added today. This screen is where you're able to modify the report group themselves. So you can either create a brand new report group, in which case you would type in the report group text, which is the name of the report group. So you could have files, You then choose the order of which files will go on the page. So if you have 3 groups in one column, the group order will decide in which order it goes within that column. And then the third option, report group column, decides which column on the screen it is going to go into. So for this one, I'm going to choose 1, and then I'm going to choose 4. If I then press save, I can see that it sets the files up here. But I can see there's no report currently set in this group. This is the point where I go back to Report Admin, choose the report that we've just created, File Attach, and change the group. Unfortunately, we cannot see it here. So if we refresh the groups, we can now see files. If we press save, and go back to Report Groups, and then press save or refresh, we're about to see in the Files group, we now have the File Attach report. If I save this again for good measure, and then I go to the File screen and refresh, I can now see there's a 4th column with the group Files with the File Attach report. This has been a How to Accelerate demo for the Reports Builder version 2.0. Thank you very much.